There we go. That's my neighbors. They're awesome. They help me out and they don't complain when I chew up their. Okay. So I was hoping to get some help to move some vehicles around today, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to take out that little quiet. I'm going to take out that winch of mine, that little mile marker winch there, and I'm going to see if I can drag this thing out from beside the garage alone. I know I got nobody to steer. What do you want me to do? And I guess I want to try and pull it out this way. Then I'll bring the truck around the front and then I'll pull it forward. Then we'll pull it in the garage. So I'll show you what I got in the garage. Because almost everything I buy never runs, I got this. I put this in here. That's a miss, but we bolted 2 bolts in there, attached this D-ring, and the idea is be able to pull something in from out there. I haven't used it yet. We're going to try it. But right now, I think what we're going to try is I'm going to pull my truck up here. We're going to try and pull this thing out, bring it around, bring it up, and then bring it in. All right, so I'll set you guys up and I'll just fast forward for the boring stuff for you. Okay, sorry guys, I kind of left you out in the dust there. I went around the alley this way. I'm hooked up to it now. There's the winch, there's the line, chain, and there's that guy. She's in the park right now, so I'm just gonna get this turned around. Sorry, get it taken out of park, and we'll get going again. In case anyone's wondering just how close we got to that fence, ridiculously close. As you can see along here, there's, yeah, it's ridiculous. It's, oh, I don't know how we didn't, whatever. You know what? People make mistakes. That's why pencils have erasers. Let's keep going. Let's not worry about that. Okay, let's take a quick look at what we got going on. So I got my D-ring here, I got the winch hooked up here. Got it hooked up back here off the trailer hitch ball deal, safety thing, bent, twisted. Listen, I'm not pulling it out of the ditch or out going mudding with it. I'm bringing it up this slight incline here. Big difference, okay? So save it. I don't want to hear it. Inside here, I got my steering wheel ratchet strapped, so it'll keep my wheels turned. And we'll see if we can't get this thing in here. I'll try and find a good spot for you guys. You know, this thing comes with a remote. And I think I should... there's no batteries. Let's just give her. Lord hates a coward. This there, but GoPro camera packed it in at some point on me. And of course the winch, you know, it makes some noise, so you don't always hear everything going on around you. Anyway, it is in. I really hope you, I guess I'll know when I take a look at it. Anyway, it's inside. It needs to go a few more feet, but I'll get that by hand. In fact, we should probably throw it in park right now. So we can disconnect the winch. But basically what I wanted to achieve was getting this one inside and getting the jimmy outside so that I could swap them around, so we can do something a little different next time around. I know a few guys wanted to see some action on the Travelall, and I'll give you that. And with a little luck, by the time I get home, well, who am I kidding? It'll be unthawed. It'll be unthawed, be nice to work on in the garage, and it should be pretty cool. I think that's gonna do it for this one. I'll throw some blocks in front of the wheels, push it the last few feet myself, and I'll bring the jimmy in beside the garage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. We'll get on this 1968 International Harvester Travelall coming up on the next video. All right, thanks for hanging out, guys. Really hope I got all that footage for you. I guess we'll find out shortly. Thanks.